Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an important topic to discuss, one that affects the safety of our homes. We're talking about the often overlooked but crucial aspect of dryer maintenance. So, if you want to elevate your home's safety, stay tuned as we explore the benefits of professional dryer cleaning near you. Let's dive in. Before we get into the solution, let's understand the risks associated with neglected dryers. Did you know that lint buildup in your dryer can lead to a potential fire hazard? Every time you use your dryer, lint accumulates in the vent system, increasing the risk of overheating and ultimately a fire. According to the National Fire Protection Association, dryers were involved in thousands of home structure fires. Scary, right? That's where professional dryer cleaning comes in. It's not just about cleaning the lint trap. It's about a thorough, comprehensive cleaning of the entire vent system. And that's why we recommend the services of Limpier. These experts have the knowledge, experience, and equipment needed to ensure your dryer is not only clean but also safe and efficient. Now, let's talk about the benefits. First and foremost, enhanced safety. By removing lint buildup, professional cleaning significantly reduces the risk of a dryer-related fire. But that's not all. It also improves the efficiency of your dryer, saving you money on energy bills and extending the lifespan of your appliance. And let's not forget the peace of mind that comes with knowing your home is safe. So, why Limpier? Well, aside from their professional expertise, they use state-of-the-art equipment, ensuring a thorough and effective cleaning. Scheduling is a breeze. They understand your time is valuable. And of course, exceptional customer service is at the heart of what they do. Your satisfaction is their top priority. There you have it, folks, the key to elevating your home safety. If you're in need of professional dryer cleaning near you, look no further than Limpier. Don't wait until it's too late. Schedule your appointment today and enjoy the peace of mind that comes with a clean and safe dryer. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.